You know, people, we've been growing this bad bud, but we haven't really been paying a lot of attention to it. What strain it is, just any of that. We just been letting that junk do what it do and make its way to the canopy. And now that it's here, I have fruit that are actually starting to ripen for me. And with the coming of ripening fruit, I'm starting to now truly wonder what kind of tomato this might be. And I'm starting to feel like this might be a Kellog Breakfast Tomato due to the various hue of tomato. They all seem to have, the ones that are ripening anyway, seem to be putting on this orange-ish hue. As you can see here, looking all sexy like they do. And I'm gonna try to do this without messing up the purple hull peas. I know they look good, but it ain't what we're here for, damn it. So yeah, I'm definitely curious as to what this is. You can see it's one of my favorite tomatoes of the year. Excuse me, tomato. Yeah. La Mama got body. And then you have our freaky tomato here, the one that developed with the double bud. Yeah. Looking good, my man, looking good. I tell you what though. We're gonna see if we can get one of these bad boys to ripen up in the windowsill. Down goes Frazier. Here we go. Good looking piece of fruit, huh? Updates coming.